Christmas is one of the most beloved seasons of the year in America, even for those who aren't Christian or even religious. Christmas music is everywhere as carols and concerts are performed by school groups and symphonies. City and village streets are decorated with Christmas lights. People of all backgrounds gather around themes of peace and goodwill. Of course, Catholics go beyond all of this and come together in the holy sacrifice of the Mass to celebrate the mystery of the Incarnation. After all, the very word Christmas comes from two words, Christ and Mass. But Christmas Day in America, at least since 1870, has always been both a Christian observance and a secular public holiday. So what happened in 1870? That year, President Ulysses S. Grant established 4 federal public holidays, all still celebrated today: Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Day, and the 4th of July. Why? President Grant believed that these 4 holidays would help foster American unity. Grant was, of course, the victorious general of the terrible Civil War. Grant chose as his presidential campaign slogan the phrase, "Let us have peace," and sought ways to promote harmony among the North and South. In choosing to name Christmas a federal public holiday, Grant wasn't only trying to promote unity among Christians, but among all Americans. So why are national holidays important? Holidays matter because they declare something unique and special about who we are as a country. We honor certain days that celebrate something truly important. Holidays bond us. We close the stock market, banks, stores, and offices. We say that for at least that one day, even the GDP and the economy is secondary to pausing and celebrating something significant, something that unites us as Americans. So how does the public celebration of Christmas bond us all, even non-Christians? At an obvious level, on Christmas, Americans gather together. We send Christmas greetings, often in the form of holiday cards, or attend school performances with our children. We give gifts to friends and family. We bake cookies and plan special meals. Christmas is a season of generosity. The core Christmas themes of hope, peace, and goodwill, while biblical in origin, are universal and serve to inspire friendly interactions. When we say Merry Christmas, we express our best wishes to others in a spirit of gratitude, commemorating the coming of the Savior sent for us. Yet, the public celebration of Christmas in America does something even more. It publicly acknowledges the very idea and ideals of America. Our Declaration of Independence made a unique claim. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Despite what some claim today, our country was not founded on the idea of power or patriarchy or oppression or the sword. It was founded on a noble idea that the human person is the gift of a Creator God and endowed with rights by that same God. It is said that America is a Judeo-Christian nation, not because everyone is Jewish or Christian or believes everything that Christians believe, but because our founding principles were grounded in the Judeo-Christian proposition, namely that our dignity and our rights do not come from government, but from a Creator God, the same God that came to us in a manger in Bethlehem. These universal principles and ideals about the human person, the source of our rights, and the bonds that unite us, make the idea of a free country possible. A free country which affirms that you don't have to be Christian or practice any particular faith to be an American, but a country that acknowledges that without God, our claims about freedom and our rights mean nothing. President Grant hoped to unify the country by recognizing Christmas as a national day of prayer and celebration. Christmas indeed is a glorious feast that commemorates Christ's birth, but its celebration as a public holiday likewise reminds us of our identity as a nation. It's why on Christmas morning the streets are quiet, our churches are open, and the government is closed, and why we together with the herald angels sing, not glory to the president, but to the newborn king. I'm Mary FioRito from the Ethics and Public Policy Center for Edify. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it now with others through email and social media.